Welcome, I'm Jennifer Coates. I'm a registered nurse in Hickman County. I've been doing a community assessment project to evaluate our community for health issues, and I've noticed that obesity seems to be a major concern. Over 36% of adults, 1 in 3 adults, are considered obese in our community. This is cause for concern as the leading causes of death in Hickman County include heart disease and stroke, which are directly related most of the time to obesity. Heart disease is to blame for almost 378 deaths per 100,000 and stroke for 122 deaths per 100,000. Other risks related to obesity include diabetes, high blood pressure, the heart disease and stroke we discussed, cancer, sleep apnea, osteoarthritis, kidney disease, and fatty liver disease. The nursing diagnosis for obesity is imbalanced nutrition, more than the body requires, related to excessive intake of nutrients as evidenced by obesity rate of 36% of the population in the area. To determine whether or not you are obese or you fit the definition of obesity, you have to look at the body mass index, which is a person's weight in kilograms divided by the square height in meters. Sounds very complicated, but these nice charts help to simplify it. You simply line up your weight in pounds or kilograms with your height in inches or feet. And it will put you into one of 4 categories: underweight, normal, overweight, or obese. There are many interventions that you can do to stop the obesity. One of them being community education and health promotion plans put into place to promote the healthier living, promote exercise, encourage healthy diet choices, such as you attending this today. Another one would be to join a weight loss or exercise regimen program initiated to those determined to be overweight to reduce comorbidities from occurring. And monitoring weight loss participants for compliance with weight loss and diet control within the community. To promote health in the community, it's feasible to help combat obesity in small populations such as within a church, school, or work environment, to educate on the risk, involve voluntary participants in a health and wellness program, to change their diet, increase their physical activity. And another method could be to benefit a larger population, post flyers, make booklets such as these that I have available here today, available to those who are unable or unwilling to attend scheduled programs. Another way is you could propose and help to plan environmental changes in your community, such as the creation of green spaces, walking trails, propose community activities for physical activity in the area. In our area, only 34% of adults report they have available exercise opportunities near them. So today I've focused mostly on dietary and exercise because this is for those who are unable to attend the assigned meetings. But when you attend those meetings, you will also be focusing on these things. So the dietary suggestions include: make half of your plate at each meal fruits and vegetables. Replace unrefined grains such as white bread, pasta, white rice with whole grain options such as whole wheat bread, brown rice, oatmeal. Eat lean proteins such as seafood, lean meats, beans, soy, nuts, seeds, and peas. And to cut out any excessive sugar and starches from your diet. In our area, 14% of the population reports that they do not even have access to appropriate food and nutrition. There is a lack of available grocery stores and places to shop for good nutrition. So that's another thing we could work on to improve our community. Exercise is another thing we can do to improve a person individually and as a community. Incorporate physical activities such as walking into daily routines. Get at least 150 minutes of moderate aerobic activity weekly. And do activities for muscle strengthening twice a week. Losing as little as 5% of your body weight can help to lower your risk of many of the diseases associated with obesity. Slow and steady weight loss of 0.5 pound to 2 pounds a week has proven to be the most effective and the safest way to lose weight. Here's some information that you could look at closer in a minute that will tell you more about the healthy eating plate choices and physical activity options. But 25% of adults in our area report being physically inactive. So just stepping up and trying to do as little as 30 minutes a day of walking can help to increase your physical activity to a great extent and help to lose weight. Some of our SMART goals with this overall are that over 50% of those educated in the community event would report better understanding of obesity and ways to improve the health and after attending the event when surveyed. The program would have a participation rate of at least 15 individuals for a meeting, and that would attend information sessions for the 10-week program. And 75% of participants in the weight loss program will have a 10% weight loss over the course of the 10 weeks. Feel free to step up and look a little closer at all of this.